Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi class, how are you today? Okay, today we will learning about starting and ending conversation. But sebelum kita memulai pelajaran kita hari ini, kita harus tahu dulu what is starting and ending conversation. Starting and ending conversation are processor techniques and to mostly begin and conclude interaction. They are important because they can set the tone for the conversation and leave a lasting impression. Next, example from starting a conversation. Starting a conversation for greeting. This is the most common way to start the conversation. A simple hi, hello, or good morning can work in most situations. And for comments, you can also start by commenting on something in the environment or the fashion appearance. For example, nice weather today, is it? Or I love your scarf. Next, for question. Asking a question is a great way to get a conversation going. However, it's best to avoid overly personal questions, especially when talking to someone you don't know well. Atau untuk beberapa contoh frasa yang lain seperti long time no see. Nah, long time no see ini kita gunakan saat kita berbicara kepada teman atau orang yang telah kita kenal sebelumnya, tetapi kita sudah lama tidak melihat orang tersebut. Nah, selanjutnya ada is this your first time here? Nah, itu kita gunakan untuk berbicara saat kita bertemu dengan orang asing atau orang yang baru kita lihat di sini, seperti itu. Okay, next, ending conversation. For closing statement, briefly summarize the conversation or thank the person for the time. You can say things like, it was nice talking to you, or thanks for your help. For exit phrase, this phrase politely indicate you're leaving. Example include, I should get going, or well, I'd better you get back to work. Next, for future-oriented statement, if appropriate, you can suggest continuing the conversation later. You could say, let's chat again something, or I will keep in touch. Atau untuk contoh frasa yang lain, seperti thanks for the lovely conversation. Nah, di sini kalian sudah mengakhiri percakapan itu dengan mengucapkan terima kasih atau menggunakan bahasa yang manis. Bisa kalian tambahkan seperti see you next time. Okay, for additional tips, pay attention to non-verbal cues. Make eye contact, smile, and adopt an open posture to show you're interested in talking. Mature conversation. Style to the situation. Be more formal in business setting and casual with friends. Next, be an active listener. Nah, pay attention to what the other person is saying and ask follow-up question. Dengan mengikuti tips berikut ini, kalian dapat memulai dan mengakhiri percakapan dengan percaya diri dan memberikan kesan positif pada orang lain. Oke, sekian dulu penyampaian dari saya. Saya akhiri dan semoga kalian bisa mengerti untuk penggunaan starting. Baiklah, setelah mengetahui beberapa penggunaan starting and ending conversation tadi, sepertinya saya rasa cukup materi kita hari ini. Untuk tugas, saya minta kalian membuat dialog percakapan dengan menyertakan starting and ending conversation ini. Besok kalian tampil di kelas ini pada jam ini juga. Oke, terima kasih. Thank you for all attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.